Video 8. Setting a Goal. After creating your t-shirt, it is important to set up a goal that would guide the progress of your campaign. A goal in Teespring represents the number of shirts you are aiming to sell in your campaign. Regardless of the number you choose, Teespring will always print your campaign as long as you are capable of making enough sales that can generate profit. Teespring allows you to include a goal to your campaign to show your target audience what you hope to achieve in terms of sales. Nonetheless, setting a goal also allows you to estimate the amount of money you can make from each product, especially if your goal is attained. Important tip: you don't have to attain your goal for a campaign to be considered successful. Each campaign consists of some t-shirts that need to be purchased for the orders to be printed and even shipped. Deciding on the minimum goal for your campaign. If you set your goal and eventually make extra sales, you will get an equal amount for all sales achieved. If you decide to increase your goal after attaining the previous goal, your profit will go up. In case you don't attain your new goal, you can as well extend your campaign a little bit longer. Sales Goal Minimum. Initially, Teespring had set a minimum sales goal of 10. However, the current minimum of 5 allows you to enjoy more opportunities for success. Producing smaller batches of t-shirts allows you to sell many more awesome shirts and get more profits. Everyone is totally covered, regardless of whether they are ordering a few t-shirts for a small organization or rather testing paid advertisements on campaigns that are likely to end with only a few orders. The profit you gain from your campaign depends greatly on the difference between the base price and the selling price that you set. However, the base price and selling price of the t-shirts depends on the goals of the campaigner. You will be required to configure these settings to determine what best fits your business before launching your Teespring campaign. For instance, you can set up a basic tee campaign with a base cost of $7.30, an asking price of $20, and a sales goal of 50 t-shirts. In this case, your possible profit for each t-shirt would be $12.70. You will also make an overall profit of $635 if you meet your sales goal. Important tip: the profit gained from your campaign is calculated by subtracting your base price from the selling price. Teespring allows you to set your goals and determine when the campaign should go to print. Once your sales goals are met, your campaign is guaranteed to go to print. The higher the goal you set for your campaign, the bigger the profit margin you are likely to gain. Apart from your profit, selling many t-shirts saves Teespring a lot of money since they buy the t-shirts in bulk. Whenever products are bought in bulk, their price is reduced. Setting a higher goal for your campaign allows Teespring to give you a higher profit margin. This is possible since they will be able to print the t-shirts at a lower price. You will still get your bonus if you set a lower goal and manage to sell more t-shirts than anticipated. However, you won't get as much as you would have received if you had a higher goal. In such a case, the bonus you receive is calculated by paying you 75% of the profit you would have made if you had set that specific goal. This means that you will lose out on 25% of the extra profit you make. The number of goals you set determines the number of products to be sold. Setting a higher campaign goal allows you to add more product types and colors to your campaign. If the t-shirt campaign does not reach the desired sales goal and is deemed unprofitable, the buyer will not be charged, and Teespring will cancel any payment authorization. This happens 24 hours after a campaign comes to an end. However, if you meet your goal or threshold, the money is collected from buyers and the shirts are printed and shipped. In turn, you will receive a profit check. Unsuccessful minimum goal. What next? If a campaign ends unprofitable, the t-shirts are not printed, while the buyers are not charged. In case your campaign is unsuccessful, you can relaunch the campaign immediately. However, your campaign will automatically relaunch if it receives about 10 reservation requests after completing. Do you have to lower your goal? In most cases, your goal is always irrelevant to the success of your campaign. Thus, you do not have to lower it while your campaign is still running. Nonetheless, it is possible to request a goal drop on your dashboard. Any lowered goals will update an hour later on the campaign page. To lower your campaign goal, navigate to the seller dashboard and click on Campaigns View. Click on the gear button to access the settings of your campaign. Specify and request your new goal. At times, Teespring may initiate automatic goal drops on your campaign. This could happen, especially when a campaign is considered profitable but has not yet managed its sales goal by its end date. During automatic goal drops, Teespring may lower the goal of the campaign to the number of products sold. If this happens, the customers enjoy fulfillment of the orders.